Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. So in today's video, I'm going to go over how we called the SPY was going to sell off. And I get asked this question all the time. And this is where our Discord really comes into play. How did you know to buy puts today? Just like last week, the Discord, worked as a group. Everybody was basically trading as a team. We were watching all the key levels, trend lines, volume, you name it. We were watching it, and we took a lot of puts last week. Coming in today, on Monday, the futures were down, and the very first thing I posted in our Discord was if we broke 433.50, that I was going to be looking to get short, buying put contracts on the SPY. I posted it so that everyone can see, what I was about to do. So, and I'm going to show you guys that. But the question of, how did you know to get into puts? Like, how did you know the market was going to go down? Well, that's also what I'm about to show you. So here we go at 9:30. If SPY breaks under 433.50, I may get short. It did exactly that. Right here, 9:35 in a put. Okay. This is letting everyone know. And then, everybody else was pretty much on the same page here. SPY broke below. We had some people asking if they should be buying SPY calls. Now, that's kind of why I'm making this video. I posted that I'm taking put contracts. So if I am buying puts, that means that I am bearish. I don't think the market's going to go up. I don't want to be buying calls if I think the market's going to be going down. So why did I know the market was going to go down? Right here, these key levels that I post every single morning told me that. This purple line right here is the 433.50 level. We came above that a little bit in the pre-market. You can see this is a very clear level that was support, but that was broken on Thursday and tried to regain on Friday. Now, a key level like that was once support. If it breaks, you want to see the retest hold. If the retest of that level does not hold, and if price cuts right through it, that's a clear indication for me that the sellers are now at that level and they're far outnumbering the amount of buyers at that level. There's not enough buyers to keep this next leg of the move up, where there was here and there was here. It broke on the retest, broke again. That's why I got short the market, because of these key levels. That is the reason right there. Now, if we look at this on my Webull platform, that's how I take these option trades. I'm not even going to want to go over this with you guys because you're probably going to think I'm the worst trader on the planet. Now, I did make 25% today, but that's nothing compared to what I could have made if I just held, right? That's always the case. So this is the SPY. Right here off the open, price shoots up out of the gate. Now, in our Discord, a member made a very good observation. This was going up against the pre-market high. It failed. This is a huge fail of that level. Once it broke through VWAP, then the next level of support was the pre-market pivot point right here at about 9:10 in the morning. Kind of was chopping around that area a little bit, bounced up, Now I got in a put, I'm sorry, I got in a put right up here. Once I saw this huge rejection, I got into a put. And I really, really liked that we were coming up against this kind of like a double top. Got into a put once I saw that 43, 433.50 was not holding. Got in, and where I set my stop is over this first candle. Because if I'm right about market direction and I want to play for that break, this is what I want to be in for. These two big red bars are what gave me my first scalp profit. I wanted to be in for this break of that 433, I'm sorry, 50 that we broke and went down to 433.36. It bounced up a little bit, but then just totally rejected that level. And that was a very good trade. Now, I scalp it. So I got out. Now, that was 1-for-1 on my first scalp. I think I only got about 15% on this one. Price pushed back up to VWAP. I got short again. Why did I get short again right here? The rejection of VWAP. I took this next leg down and took my profit right into this first drop. And then I was done. So the first two trades, we started to really chop around this area, looking like we wanted to make a rebound. The only problem is that rebound is coming back into that 433.50 area. So it stopped here at 433.20, just totally dropped. Now the market makers probably got some people on this, but then just totally fell off of the face of the earth. And now we are way, 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 way down. Now, my contracts, I traded this area here. This is the little area I traded. While it was fine for, at the time, this is the move right here. The only thing is, when you're trading same day expirations like we do on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you have to kind of scalp it, because if it goes back against you, you could be deep in the red. So I like to scalp these same day options. I'm not going to really ever hold them. Now, would breaks of these types of levels be good? Yes, they would be. And this really, this gave a lot of plays off of VWAP. Couldn't break it here, couldn't break it here, came up. You could just tell so much weakness, so many bear flags everywhere. So for those of you that are wondering, about our Discord community, that is what we do. These are levels I post, and I don't just do it for the SPY with the Qs, the ES, and then we have the call out section, all the stocks that are, jumping up, like the momentum stocks, and, looking at my daily preview. So if you guys want, I post it here. You're more than welcome. It's only 99 bucks. Lifetime membership. That's it. One payment, and you are in our community forever. No more payments. Just that one payment. So, and then, all day long on our general discussion, we'll have, what people are looking at. So it is a great community. I hope I cleared up, how and why I take the trades that I take. It's from these key levels. If I don't see them hold up, then I'm short. If I see them hold with a lot of volume coming in and there's a lot of buyers there, then I'm long calls. So that's how I trade the SPY, off of support, resistance, supply and demand. It's really that simple. Now, entrances and exits are another thing. You could be right about market direction, but you have to pick the right entrances and exits, especially when you're trading same day expirations. I do not recommend holding these for very long. So that's it for me. I hope that this helped out. 25% today, 2 for 2 on our option plays. Come join our Discord, and I will see you guys back on the next one. Take care, everyone.